Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to change phone number on Google account. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So the first thing you need to do is to just go and open your Gmail app, then click on these three lines. Here you need to scroll a bit and go to settings, and once you're here you need to choose your Google account whose phone number you want to change, and here just click on manage your Google account, and then you will get to see this kind of options where we need to go on personal information. Just tap there and now scroll a bit, and then you will get to see the option for phone number. Just tap on that, and again we have to click on this little arrow right here. Then this time we need to click on this little pencil icon, and here we need to confirm that we are doing this thing. So for that we just need to enter our password, whatever password you have set it on your phone. We just have to provide that, or you can use your Face ID if you have already provided. So once you do that thing, you just need to again click on this pencil icon, and from now we just have to click on update phone number, and here we can easily change your phone number. So whatever your number you are going to change, you can just type that here, and once you type your phone number, just click on next, and they will verify our phone number, and once the verification is done, your phone number will be changed. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.